Are you a beginner at Baccarat and have no idea what in the jack of spades you're doing? Don't worry, I have 3 solid tips that might help. Hey Internet, it's Ed here with CasinoHawks.com. My first piece of advice is to always avoid tie bets. In Baccarat, tie bets are very risky, as they often leave a not so nice mark on your wallet. This is because their house edge comes at 14.36%, while their payouts are the highest at 8 to 1. It is statistically unlikely to get a win if you always chase this kind of bet. After all, if you wager £2 on 100 bets, the house stands to take £28.72, which is a lot of money to donate to the casino. What you should go for instead is to bet on the banker rather than ties. This pays 1 to 1, and the house only has a 1.06% advantage. Yes, I'm aware of the 5% commission that comes with betting on the banker's hand, so if that's a bit steep for you, then you can always bet on the player instead. Just keep in mind that the house advantage on the player's hand is 1.24%. Piggybacking off my first point, the next tip is to learn more about Baccarat rules and different game variations. This might sound like a no-brainer, but maximizing your knowledge of the game allows you to play it correctly and increases your overall chances of winning. The objective of online Baccarat is to place your wagers on which hand holds the best value, with the player, banker, or tie as your main betting options. It may seem simple enough, but keep in mind that each action comes with its own reaction. This is due to each bet having specific odds and payouts. As for the variant, make sure to choose the right tone for you. Some of the best types of Baccarat available in the UK include Classic Baccarat, High Limit Baccarat, Baccarat Squeeze, and No Commission Baccarat, with no commission when you place your bet on the banker's hand. These all share the same general rules of Baccarat, but some features and payouts might be changed, so choose wisely.
You have chosen wisely.
My last and most important tip for playing Baccarat is this: plan your budget and manage your playtime properly. You're guaranteed to play responsibly if you set a bankroll and stick to that budget, and that's what I like to see. You can even write a note about how much you're willing to spend, lose, or win, even if I don't think that you should be putting a limit to your winnings.
There is no limit.
Being aware of the amount of time you spend on the game is equally important. Set yourself 30 minutes or 1 hour long sessions. If you happen to find it hard to restrict yourself to a specific time limit, then we recommend you use the session limit tool that should be offered by all online casinos. So what are your thoughts about Baccarat? Let us know in the comments down below. This is Ed wishing you good luck and reminding you, as always, play responsibly.